In this video, I will show you how to create Knorish user from Webhook response automatically. So Knorish is an amazing course creation and selling platform, and firstly I am going to copy the Webhook URL and paste it in different application from where I would like to receive the user data and add here. Okay, now that application could be an email marketing or even a form builder application, and whenever the user data is received here as a Webhook response, I'll show you how we can create a user automatically in Knorish. Want to learn how you can also do that? Come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is the dashboard of Knorish application where I will create a user on JotForm form submission. Now why I am taking the example of JotForm? Because this application actually support Webhook, and for Webhook I will use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why I am already logged in here. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from the sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button that is create workflow and then provide a random name to your workflow to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted the name as create Knorish user from Webhook response. Now I will select the folder in which I want to create my automation workflow. So I'm selecting this main workflows folder, now clicking on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. Okay, so whenever something happen in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. Okay, so in this way you need to always choose your applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, I want that whenever the data of user is received as a Webhook response, a user should be created automatically in Knorish application. Okay, so in this way I have selected both the things in the trigger and the action window. Okay, and now I am going to copy this Webhook URL, paste it in this JotForm form builder application, and as soon as a new form submission is received, that form submission data will be received here as a Webhook response, which I will send further to Knorish. Okay, and let me tell you a very important thing, that JotForm already have a direct integration with Pabbly Connect. So when you are connecting JotForm with Pabbly Connect, it is not compulsory that you go with Webhook only. You can directly search for JotForm here, but my objective is just to show you how Webhooks can be used, how with the help of Webhook you can actually build an automation, or you can actually create a user in Knorish. So that is why I'm firstly searching for Webhook, and then with the help of this Webhook only we are going to build the connection. Okay, so first of all you will have to copy the Webhook URL from this Pabbly Connect dashboard, and then you will have to paste it into that application from where you would like to receive the data. Currently I'm taking an example of JotForm. So let me first open this form, register here for free PHP course. So firstly I am editing this form, then I will visit the settings option. Alright, give me a second. Alright, so this is the settings option, and here you will find the option of integration. Click here and then you will have to search for the Webhook. Okay, give me a second, I'll show you everything. Okay, so this is the Webhook. Well, I think one Webhook URL is already added here. Okay, so how about I remove this existing integration so that I can show you everything from scratch. Okay, and now I'll search for Webhook here once again. You will also have to do the same in whatever application you are setting up the Webhook. Firstly you will have to go to that application and search for the Webhook, and then you will have to copy this Webhook URL and paste in this way. Alright, so I have pasted the same. Now clicking on this complete integration button, and in this way with the help of Webhook, JotForm and Pabbly Connect will be connected immediately. Now you should read the instructions that it is waiting for the response. Log into the application where you have added the Webhook URL and do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the Webhook response. Okay, so basically it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission means creation of a new form submission. Okay, so how about I go to this publish form section, and firstly in front of you I am going to open this form, and then I will make a dummy submission, and as soon as I do that you will notice that the details will be received via Pabbly Connect. So first name I am adding as demo, last name I am adding as user, email address as demo user 4321, then @pabblytunes.com. Okay, give me a second. Alright, it is looking good. Asking for the phone number, let me add a 10-digit random number. So I have provided the dummy details. Here you can notice the name of the form is register here for free PHP course, and as soon as someone will register here, that person will be created as a user in Knorish. Okay, so let me submit this form, and you will notice as soon as the form submission is successful, here the details will be received via Pabbly Connect, and here you can notice the response is received. Let me even show you other details. Okay, so here we have the very same webhook URL. Here we also have the name of the form, that is register here for free PHP course, and I am looking for the form submission data. Alright, so here we have the first name, last name, email and phone number. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Pabbly Connect and Jot form is working absolutely fine. Okay, so in this way, with the help of webhook URL, you can connect different applications with the Pabbly Connect and capture their data, but the only condition here is that applications should support webhook. Okay, so in this way the first step of our automation is done. Now moving further, I will show you how you can create a user automatically in Knorish. Okay, so firstly I'll select the action event, that is create user v1. Now clicking on connect, then clicking on add a new connection, and for the connection it is asking for the website URL and this API key. Okay, so read the instructions, open settings, integration and click on Pabbly Connect tab. So this is the dashboard of Knorish. Firstly I'll click on the settings option, then I'll click on this integrations options. Further, you will find lot of options here, so I'll directly click on this Pabbly Connect option, and here you will find the website URL. Alright, so I have copied and pasted the same. Further, it is asking for the API key, so which again I am going to copy from here and pasting here, then clicking on the save button, and in this way my Knorish application will be immediately connected with Pabbly Connect. And now it is asking for the basic details. Alright, so firstly it is asking for the name. Now from where I am going to provide the details, remember we have already captured the data as a response of our trigger step as a webhook response, and the interesting thing here is I'm not going to manually copy these details and paste below again and again. Okay, I am going to map these details. Okay, and mapping is very simple. Click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Search for that data. Okay, so let me search for the name of the person. Alright, now I will give a space and will also map the last name of the person, which was user. Alright, so I have mapped it successfully, and in the same way I am going to map the email address also. But you must be thinking that what is the importance of mapping? Okay, so whatever the details we will map here in this particular way, these details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time. But if I will provide any detail manually here, that detail will remain same. It will not be changed with every new webhook response. Okay, so this is the difference in providing the values via mapping and via manually. Further, it is asking that send a create password email or not. Okay, so if you want to send the email, you should add this one value. If you do not want to send any email along with the password, you can add 0 here. Okay, so how about I go with the 0. Now I'll click on this button, save and send test request, waiting for the response to receive, and if that response is positive, that means the user has been created automatically in Knorish application using webhook response. Alright, let me scroll down and check, and did you notice the same person with the same first name with the same last name has been created as a user in Knorish automatically. Okay, so in this way, with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can entirely automate this process. And just in case if you want to access this two-step workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my workflow into the description box. So simply click on this link and then sign up for free to the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.